Hi guys, welcome to FitNCalm and welcome to the day 6 of our Yoga Anywhere challenge. So let's get started. Take a deep breath in, close your eyes if you feel like. If you want to keep them open, well and good. Just let the breath be deep and exhale. One more deep breath in and just relax the body. If there's any tension, any stiffness, let it go. Let the smile go into each and every cell of your body. One more joyful breath in. And as you exhale, relax the whole body. Slowly inhale and gently open the eyes. Take the hands up, interlace them at the top and let the palms face up. Now feel as if you are being suspended up from the ceiling. Just let the entire body stretch up and now come up on the toes. And now come down and come up on the heels. Again, come up on the toes, come down, come up on the heels. Up and down. This is very good for the entire lymphatic system. Up. Going on the heels, up on the toes, down again on the heels. When you come on the heels, lift the toes up. Coming down, coming up on the heels, again up on the toes, down on the heels, up on the toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels and toes, and stay there on the toes. You can fix your gaze at something in front of you and just stretch. Feel if you are feeling the stretch from the toes up to the top of the head. Just notice that. And let the navel be pulled in towards the lower back as you do this, using the core muscles as well, stretching every cell. So if you want to get taller, this is the asana for you. And now slowly exhale and relax. Come down. Keep the feet a little distance apart. Slowly just inhale. Just feel the air wherever you are, enjoying this day. Keep the hands on the waist. Inhale, just look forward and stretch a little forward as much as you can. And now just bend the legs at the knees. Let the hands come down and straighten the legs if you feel like. If this is not accessible, keep a generous bend in the knees. Whatever works for you at this point of time and whatever your body feels comfortable in. Let the left hand come in between, just towards the center of your feet. A little forward though, and take the right hand up. Taking an open twist here. Just opening up ourselves, opening up the body as well. Looking up at the right hand. Take a breath in and let go. One more breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And as you exhale, gently bring the right hand down. Taking the left hand up. Taking the open twist on the other side. Looking up at the left hand with a smile. Just feel that openness in the mind and the body. Take a breath in and let go. One more breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And as you exhale, bring the left hand down. Now if this is accessible to you, just do this. Take the hands a little back and now try to bring the head in towards the knees. You can keep the knees soft. You can keep a little distance between the feet or keep them closed. Just see what your body feels like, where your body is at, and know that that is the perfect place to be right now. And gently just bring the head in towards the knees. We are not going to strain our body. We are not going to make it go into any shape that it doesn't want to go. Just opening it up a little beyond the comfort zone. Just stay wherever you are. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly walk the hands forward. You can bend the legs at the knees, and if they're already bent, well and good. And slowly inhale, take the hands up. Just stretch the hands up and exhale. Relax. And gently just bring the feet together again. And now we are going to give ourselves a hug, a one-legged hug. Okay. Now just bend your right leg at the knee and gently hug it in towards the body, in towards the chest. And let's see who can stay here the longest. Just use the entire body here, not crashing into the leg, using the upper body as well. Take a breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and exhale. Give yourself a hug, a tight one. See if that's making you lose balance. And now just stretch out the right leg wherever it comes. Just let it be there, let the toe point out, and let's stay there for a count of 3. 1, 2, and release. Take a breath in and exhale. And now we have the other leg to give a hug to. We love it as well. So gently bending the left leg, hug it. Just hug it in towards the body and notice if there's any difference between the left and the right. For me, usually the right is a little difficult to balance since I've had an injury, a surgery in the right one. So just see, normally also left and right will feel a little different. So just notice that. Take a breath in, breathe out. Using the entire body, you can fix your gaze at a point in front so that it helps with your balance. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. And if it's not accessible to you, if you're falling, that's also totally okay. You can even go take the support of a wall. Just keep one hand there, and with one hand you can give yourself a hug. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and again bring it close. Give a hug, and now just stretch it out as much as you can. Take a breath in, breathe out, lifting the leg as high as you can. Inhale, exhale. If you go down, come up again. That's the important part. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and slowly come down. Just walk the knees a little. Just bend both the legs at the knees, straighten them, rotate them a bit to the opposite direction. Just shake the hands, just roll the shoulders a little back and relax the body. Take a breath in through the nose, tighten the body, hold the breath through the mouth, exhale. Once again, inhale through the nose, hold the breath, tighten the body through the mouth, exhale. Last time, inhale through the nose, hold the breath. Just let the body ground through the feet, yet feeling a sense of upliftment through the entire body, feeling as if you're going up towards the sky. Just relax the shoulders. Notice if the face is relaxed or not. Relaxing the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks, letting there be a smile on the lips. Take a breath in and breathe out. Remembering this, that wherever we are in our yoga practice or in life, that is exactly where we are supposed to be. Take a breath in and exhale. Gently bring the palms in front of the heart. Let's bow down our head to that consciousness, to that divinity within us. Feeling grateful for this day, feeling grateful for this life. And whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. We hope you enjoyed today's practice. We'll see you for the day 7. Thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm. And if you haven't done that yet, do follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.